All right, what's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about my favorite people ever, Wells Fargo. This is actually a true story. Happened yesterday. Okay, so this lady, she went to Lending Tree, and which that's where we get most of the people that we make loans these days. So she went to Lending Tree, and of course, she received like a billion phone calls probably. And then I went and sent her a text message, and Robin said, first thing I want to say to you is I've been declined by Wells Fargo, which is my current lender, because I filed for Chapter 13, because I had a Chapter 13, even though I finished, even though I made all my payments on time, even though everything is complete, and I don't owe anything to a trustee and to anyone. I was declined because of bankruptcy. Now, this question, a lot of people ask me all the time. It's like, well, is there a specific lender that does these bankruptcy loans, mortgages? The truth is this, which nobody wants you to know this, but the truth is this. Every bank out there follow the same guidelines for an FHA loan, for the same ones. So the answer to our question is absolutely every bank can do this. Every bank can refinance bankruptcy. However, they're private institutions. They can choose who they want to do business, when they want to do business, how they want to do business. They can pick and choose whomever they want to do. The truth is this: bankruptcy loans are incredibly hard, incredibly difficult for a billion reasons. If you follow this channel, if you watch my videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Well, the sad part to me is this. Wells Fargo told this lady, yes, we can go ahead and refinance your home. She paid for an appraisal for a conventional loan. If you're watching this, I can tell you one thing. If you've been on Chapter 13, you cannot do a conventional loan there's a 2-year waiting period. So that means if I get discharged on Chapter 13 today, I will not be able to do anything until January 2022. Does that make sense? So the only loan that you're allowed at this time are government loans. So FHA, VA. That's it. So she paid for a conventional loan, for an appraisal, for a conventional loan. And of course, Wells Fargo found out that they could not do the loan after she had already done the appraisal. So, what are they going to do? They're going to call you and say, I'm sorry, you don't qualify because of the bankruptcy. At this point, we're not able to qualify. They will tell you whatever they want to tell you. Whatever lie they want to come up with. To me, it's a lie. It is a lie. You just should be upfront, should be honest with people, and if you don't know your guidelines, you guys, big banks, you should know your guidelines before having people pay for an appraisal and then telling them that you cannot do something. There's a big difference between you pay for an appraisal and the home didn't appraise to the price that you were expecting, therefore you don't have a loan and now you lost your money. Yeah, it sucks. Unfortunately, I had experiences. I only had one that I had to call someone and tell them, look, your home didn't appraise, sorry, there's nothing we can do. But anyway, so that was the first thing she told me. She's like, look, I just want to let you know, Wells Fargo couldn't qualify my mortgage because of my Chapter 13. So that was yesterday. I sent her a loan estimate with a loan estimate gives you monthly payment, interest rate, and terms. By the way, if you're looking to refinance, if you're shopping around for a lender, I made a video about this, about how to shop around for the best rates. But you should definitely ask for a loan estimate. You don't call and tell them, look, what's the rate? That's just stupid. You say, may I have a loan estimate? The loan estimate will give you a monthly payment, interest rate, and terms. And of course, all the details of the loan. So anyway, so I sent her a loan estimate. I told her, look, congratulations. You must be very happy because we can do this. I know every in and out of refinancing for Chapter 13. I'm licensed in your state. We can get this ball rolling. I need this. Well, I woke up this morning. This happened last night. I woke up this morning and literally she had submitted all the documents, pay stubs, driver license, homeowner's declaration page, bankruptcy discharge papers, trustee payment history. I mean, the whole thing. And by the way, that's how you do a mortgage. You know, if you ask me, a lot of people ask me, how long does this process take? Honestly, it's up to you. It really is up to you. How committed are you to make this happen? Because there's only so much a loan officer can do. Yeah, they can put together the loan. Yeah, they can submit the papers to a processors, underwriters, meet the conditions, go to the final approval, clear to close. They can do all that. And of course, you want to have a good loan officer, but if they don't have the documents they need, or if you take too long, then it's really up to you. Anyway, to make this story short, I received all the documents this morning. I submitted the loan already today. So within 24 hours, right now the loan is in the processor's hands, which they're going to be sending into the underwriters. Now the only problem that we have is that the appraisal that she paid for is for a conventional loan. If that's your situation, don't worry about it. There's ways to work around that. One of the ways is we will contact the appraisal company and tell them, hey, can we convert? Can we transfer? Can we change this from conventional to FHA? Sometimes they do it for free. Sometimes they do it for a $50 fee, $100 fee, $250 fee. I don't know, what the fee is. But in this situation, we will pay for that fee. I don't think it's going to be for like very expensive, but if it goes like 200, 300, that's something that you can work with your mortgage company. If you've been declined for a mortgage because of your bankruptcy, just the fact that you have a lender that can get it done, dude, $50, $200, whatever those small fees, dude, you know what I mean. You can come up with that money. Anybody can lend you that money. Anyway. So I thought that was very exciting. If you have been declined because you filed for Chapter 13, you made all your trustee payments on time, you're current on your mortgage, you made the past 24-month payments on time, and you know what I'm saying? Don't give up. Find a lender that can help you. There is lenders out there that will go above and beyond, will meet all the requirements, all the conditions, as long as you are with them, as long as you work with them, and you're willing to bring all the documents right away. They will be there to help you. There's people out there to help you. I am one of so many. It just happens to be that I deal with this every single day. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, just like I say in all my videos, put it in the comment section. Some of you send me emails, which is great. I try to do a video response. Sometimes I might say your name, but if I say Robin, like in this case, there is like so many Robins in the United States, But anyway, I keep your information private always. If you send me an email and you want to keep your information private, by all means, just let me know. I won't make a video reply. I like video replies because your situation might be applicable to other people. They might be able to find a solution to what they're looking for with the same problem that you have. You can find me in any social media out there. And again, subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow.